Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the questions which can be solved in two different ways using trigonometric identities. And we'll use both the methods to understand how and when to use this method. So if the question is asked for, say, a 3-mark question, then you will use the first method that I'll be showing. And if it's asked for for more marks, like say 5, then you will be using the second method that I'm going to show. Okay, so let's talk about the first method. The first method is similar to one of the questions that we have done in the previous video. Okay, so first of all, we will start from LHS in both the methods. So what we'll do in the first step in this one, because the right hand side has cosec and cot A, because the right hand side has cosec and cot A, and we know that cosec is 1 upon sine and cot A also has cos upon sine, right? So we are going to divide the numerator by the sine A and also divide the denominator by sine A. When we do that, it's cos A upon sine A upon sine A, and 1 upon sine A. Sorry, this is plus 1, right? So I'm going to write that and we'll change it. Okay, so this is cos A upon sine A minus sine A upon sine A plus 1 upon sine A. That is our numerator. So what will be our denominator? Our denominator will be similar, kind of similar, only with the sign change in the plus and the minus in the middle. So plus sine A upon sine A minus 1 upon sine A. So that will be equals to what? This sine A cancels and the sine A cancels. Cos upon sine is cot A minus 1 cosec A divide by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A, right? I'm just going to rearrange it in such a way that cosec and cot are together and the one is on the right corner. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. So we'll do cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now we are going to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by a term. What is that? That is going to be cosec cot A minus cosec A is the term that we are going to multiply in the numerator and the denominator. Okay. Now in the numerator and the numerator, I am making this as a pair. What is a pair here? I'm going to make cot A plus cosec A as one pair and minus 1 separate. That means cot A plus cosec A, the whole thing will be multiplied with cot A minus cosec A, and 1 will be multiplied with cot A minus cosec A. So cot A plus cosec A multiplied by cot A minus cosec A. So A plus B into A minus B. So that will be cot square A minus cosec square A, right? Minus of cot A minus cosec, because minus 1 multiply by that. The whole divide by, I'll keep it like that. I'm not going to do any change to that. Now, we know the identity cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. But in the numerator, we have cosec so is minus, right? So what we'll do is we'll take the negative sign out. Okay. So when we take the negative sign out, the bracket becomes cosec square A minus cot square A. And we'll open this also. So minus cot A minus into minus plus cosec A. Okay. Denominator again the same thing. and then what will happen, we'll put the identity for the numerator. So cot square A minus cosec square A, sorry, cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. So it will be a minus 1 minus cot A plus cosec A, the whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 into cot A minus cosec A. Now I'm going to take minus 1 common from all the three denominators of the numerator. So when I take minus common, it will be a plus 1 plus cot A minus cosec A, right? Sorry for the interruption. And then the denominator as such. So that will be a cot A minus cosec A plus 1 into cot A minus cosec A. So this and this will cancel off. You have a minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A. Now what we have to do, we'll write the formula for 1. Before we do that, we are going to shift this negative to the bottom. So it will become 1 upon cosec A minus cot A. Now put the formula, that is the identity, cosec square A minus cot square A in place of 1. The denominator is cosec A minus cot A. So A minus B into A plus B. So that will be cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A, the whole divided by cosec A minus cot A. So we got the answer, right? Clear? So what did we do? We have actually divided by sin A. First step, rearranged it. Second step, main step, we multiplied cot A minus cosec A. And in the numerator, we made a pair of cot A plus cosec A with cot A minus cosec A, which is cot square A minus cot square A, cosec square A, sorry. And that is minus 1. And then we opened it and we simplified it, right? Now I'll show you the next method. In this method, if you look at the question, there is only change between minus sin A, plus sin A, and plus 1 and minus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a minus 1 common in the numerator between sin A and plus 1. I'll keep the cos A like that. So I'm not going to touch that. So cos A, take a minus common. So it becomes a sin A minus 1, right? Minus 1 common between sin A and 1, common factor. Okay, so it's minus sign simply. And then it becomes a cos A plus, again in the new denominator I have also made the same grouping. Numerator I have taken out minus as common factor, and denominator I have taken plus 1 as a common factor. Now I'm going to do the rationalizing method. So cos A, the denominator is having a plus sign. So minus sin A minus 1 cos A minus sin A minus 1, right? So it's cos A minus sin A minus 1. So the numerator is cos of cos A minus of sin A minus 1. Here I am treating it as one group. So it's A and my B is sin A minus 1, the whole squared. And the denominator is similarly cos square A minus of sin A minus 1, the whole square. So I have to do A minus B whole square like twice in the numerator and the denominator once. Okay. So first we'll open A minus B the whole square, where A is cos A and B is sin A minus 1 the whole square. So it's cos square A minus 2 cos A, B is sin A minus 1 plus sin A minus 1 the whole square, which I'll be opening up in next step. Okay. The whole divide by, again, cos square A minus, I'm going to open the sin A minus 1 as sin square A minus 2 sin A plus 1, right? Now we'll open the whole bracket, that is the numerator, every term. Okay. So it will become cos square A minus 2 cos A sin A. This whole cos A sin A is going to get multiplied with sin A and with minus 1. right? So that's what I said. I'll be opening it up. So minus into minus plus 2 cos A. I'm opening the next bracket. Now here A sine A and B is 1. So sine square A minus 2 sine A plus 1. Whole divided by denominator also I'm opening. So cos square A minus sine square A plus 2 sine A minus 1. Correct? Now in the numerator I have this cos square A plus sine square A. Correct? That will be a 1. And in the denominator, in place of 1, I'm going to put cos square A plus sine square A. I'm doing the other way. Cos square A plus sine square A I have in the numerator. For that, I'm going to put 1. And in the denominator, in place of 1, I'm going to put cos square A plus sine square A. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Sorry for that interruption. Sorry. So cos square A plus sine square A is 1 minus 2 cos A sine A plus 2 cos A minus 2 sine A and plus 1. The denominator is cos square A minus sine square A plus 2 sine A minus of cos square A plus sine square A in place of 1. Correct? Now this 1 and this 1 I'm going to add, and in the denominator I'm opening this again. Okay. So as you can see here, I've placed 1 and 1 next to each other. I've opened this bracket minus cos square A minus sine square A in the denominator. Rest all are same, right? Now what? The 1 plus 1 will become a 2. I'm placing 2 cos A next to it. Then minus 2 sine A minus 2 cos A sine A. In the denominator, the cos square and cos square is going to get cancelled off. 2 sine A minus 2 sine square A. Correct? I'm going to take the common factor. So 2 is 1 plus cos A. Then minus 2 sine A comes out. And you will get 1 plus cos A. In the denominator, I'm going to take out the sine common. So 2 minus 2 sine A. So if I'll rearrange the numerator, I'll get 1 plus cos A, 2 minus 2 sine A, the whole divided by sine A, 2 minus 2 sine A. So 2 minus 2 sine A gets cancelled off. 1 plus cos A. Let's give the individual denominator as sine A. So it will be 1 upon sine A plus cos A upon sine A, which is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Let me explain the whole thing again. What did I do? I have actually in the question just taken minus 1 as a common factor between sine A and plus A in the numerator and plus 1 as a common factor in the denominator. That means I'm making a group sine A minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So I got A minus B in the numerator and denominator is A plus B. So I'm doing rationalizing method. So cos A minus of sine A minus 1 and cos A minus of sine A minus 1 is multiplied in the numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes A minus B into A minus B. So A minus B whole square. Denominator is A square minus B square. So first step I've done is A is my cos A and B is sine A minus 1 the whole square. So cos square A minus 2 cos A sine A minus 1 plus sine A minus 1 the whole square. And denominator, I have this B square which is A minus B the whole square. So that I've opened up. So we've just opened second time the whole bracket in the numerators. Okay. And then I have applied the identity for cos square A plus sine square A as 1. And instead of 1, I have put cos square A plus sine square A in the denominator. And then I have further rearranged the numerator in such a way that I got 2 plus 2 cos A minus 2 sine A minus 2 cos A sine A. And denominator, I got 2 sine A minus 2 sine square A. And I took the factors and we got the answer. Hope it is clear. Thank you.